Hi guys, what's up everybody? It's Leila Ali speaking from wherever you're watching me from. I greet you in the name of the Most High. The streams are drying. Look at those big, are they fish? Is only tadpoles. And they're enjoying. They're like, don't finish the water for us, don't finish the water for us. Man, I have to listen to the dog. They're barking at some people. I have to carry this bottle from here. Yes, I tell you guys, I'm going up there. I don't know where you'll see it. Up there at my gate. There. It's not somewhere near. We are at the small river stream. It's just like a stream. Here, it's very huge. You can't. Let me take this Nini from down here. Oh, let me push it back. Yeah, that's the stream. It goes down. If you saw my previous video, I was in a certain stream that I called River YouTube. Down there, this is the river. It goes from the other side. Now I'm on the other side of the plots. My neighbors currently, they have just planted their vegetables there. You can see them, like, and then even this other side, they're up there having some chit chat. I think there's a man and his babies. He's watoto. Look at Dayo. Hey, hey. Look at her. Inatubakia sisi. That way is from here going the other side. This is my farm. Oh yeah. The water I told you I'll carry. Actually, I've carried it and I'm sitting on it from down there. The stream has been down there. That over there, up, there. yeah, guys. This is my welcome to my place, my home, my plot, the fenced one. The gate is over there. When God wills, Misha, you need this one. When God wills, we will start putting like a perimeter wall like this other guy for more security purposes, so that we start putting maybe materials on them. I don't know, but the place is there. The bottle is there. It has gone. I want to show people my place, my area. You see, I still have the barbed wire. One day, one time, I'll wish for a perimeter wall for our beautiful place. I told you guys, we tried halfway. I want to stand from this far end so that you can see this far end of the plot. All right, that's the plot. Let me go slow. Now there's Dayo trying to water. There I've put some seedlings that it has taken a lot of days for the water to, the rain to fall. Now they are drying up. So the other farm I've been showing you guys, they are not mine, they are my neighbors. And I just wanted to start my kitchen garden before anything here. And that's it. My kitchen garden is on the other side. Tried everything. like some bogas and everything. As you all know, from an L side, though, that side to that wall up to this far end, I have some fruit tree, from avocado, apple, mango, lemon, pomegranate. We go to another pixie, and then at the corner another mango. That's it for today. Sitting here watching the hill. I've never shown you this place. This place is super hilly. You see up there, let me push a little. That's my view. You can see that inaitwaga mlingoti. Is it mlingoti? Dayo, ile juu inaitwaje? Ile ni mlingoti? Inaikuwaga nini? Inakuwaga si mrija. Is signpost in Kiswahili inaitwaje? You don't know Kiswahili? I think Kiswahili ni mlingoti. Let me tell you that. That place, okay, sijui inaitwaje. Alright guys. The other side, the quarry is on this side where I've showed you. The SGR is on the other side. Okay, on to this video, I'll sure take you through the SGR from my place, from here to the SGR that goes to Mlolongo. From Mlolongo now you can book to Mombasa, or is it Nakuru ama Naivasha? I don't know. We have an SGR place, but you can do the Panya route from here. Only like 15 minutes to that place by walking. So one day I will sure take you there, guys. This is the view. You see the view of my home. The view of my home. You're doing good, Dayo. You're doing good. I did a halfway. By the mimi ni mkulima halisi. I do farming, but kidogo kidogo. So nililima nusu ya hii shamba. The other shamba is not yet there, guys. It's tiring. And again, you need to focus on the rain first. Let the rain is when you have the energy to dig the place, because it's super dry. And you see, I have a lot of stone over here. If I dig with these stones, man, don't know what will happen. But the place needs to be a little bit wet so that I can put the jembe very nicely to help me around. I had my neighbor with her goats. She sent the shamba boy to actually try and clear the grass from this one side for the goat, which is quite good. So when it rains, I'll start from here going downwards. This place is the place that is stayed a little bit bushy, and you can see kuna weed like blackjack. I hate that weed because it disturbs me a lot on my dresses, like a lot. This is our center. People are selling shoes right now, and it's 6 something. Doggy. Look at this center. No, this is a junction. Let's go before the motorbike hits on us. Yo, people are selling motora. Look at the motora. Dayo. Ndoka motora, ora venye naungua. It's hey. Ako kama mafuta nuts. Look at this place. Somehow it's developed. Look at that. Look at that. The development is so big. Hey, look at this camera. It's clear. Now how Giza it is right now. It's getting so dark, and the camera is really doing justice. And then I walk like this, someone comes, snatch the phone away, goes. Because right now I'm even tired. I'm from the shop. I can't run after the person. I'll just sit down and start laughing. Look at that. This is our grocery store. This is how grocery stores, when I got the sweet, is it sweet banana or banana? The long ones. Hakuna sweet banana. Sweet banana ni zile dogo dogo. This one is long. Ati long. Yes. So hizo zinauzwa 320, either 10. I don't know how much it is in dollar. Look at this. This is our center, by the way, guys. I'm down there from our village. Now here, you come, buy a little bit. Things see like the development. This one is coming up too. Look at that house. People's car. Look at this development, this other side, and it's clear, but it's super dark right now. Super dark, it's super dark. I want to show people's cars, people's faces. Oh, grocery store. Big grocery store is there. People are like, hey. They're not understanding this mad woman with a camera. Anyhow, there is a plot here. This plot right now goes for almost 20 million Kenyan shillings, because this place right now it's called a prime place due to the level of niaje poa. People are like that. Everyone is full right now. You don't know whom to whom and everything. You enjoy. Yo, it's very dark. Running back home. Those are kids. I think this road, because the way it's full, it's because of the schools are closed. On a normal day from school, on a normal day of a school going day, you'll never find people walking aimlessly like this solidly. There are kids from school, parents who are taking a walk from their, you know, when the kids are all inside, sometimes you want to clear the hair because kukana walk a nyumba 24/7, you need this. Aeroplane over there, it's gone. So you guys, I'm going to leave you from here. And then there is a field. Still others are playing football, you see. Life in Africa. They are still kicking the ball. Look how dark it is. Okay. Okay. Dayo. Look at Dayo is here today. You are cladding. Then I took Dayo from school to the shamba. You are from school to the shamba. You have nothing to say. You are grateful. Nothing to say, we are grateful. Okay guys, acha tuachie hapa. Baraka man. Si hii njia sasa itakuwa imefungika. Hapa. What? Na mbona ifagii msitu? Hii ndio inazuia. Maji inaenda chini. Sasa hii barabara unapitia juu. Oh, ile kona nimeijua. Hako kamlima. So huku kwote ni hiyo nini stream ya hiyo maji nateremkia hapo. Naiona. Ni shimo. Nyoka. We're talking about snakes. Sasa hizi shamba huku inaweza kwa pesa ngapi? Unauza ngapi shamba? Utanikabidhi mwenyewe. Hai. Mwenye shamba. So wazi nikabidhi shamba na hujaniambia bei, ndio niende nijue mfuko yake. Nataka milioni ngapi? Moja. Ninakula gumzo tu kwani. Kanywaji Ati tunakula gunzo tu kwani? Alright. Na hii ni shamba nani imepandwa sukuma hivyo? Oh, ile rento. Okay. Na ile ni kanisa yenu. Hii ndio kanisa ya Catholic. Ni kubwa. Hai.
Yaani pita hapa.
Nishawahi, sinaletaga watoto huku chini daily. Mufikaga pale. So guys, this is our 15 minutes walk to the SGR station, and the person you are seeing here is called Kanywaji, his local name, but he will be telling us his name by the end of the video. He is one of the people, let me say the elders, who knows this place well. That's why he is like our tour guides. Moving around with him gave us so much comfort in learning and knowing everything about the SGR and everything that transpire in the journey of building the SGR. Hii shamba ni pazuri. Mwenyewe anasema ni pali mbaya. Na ndo hiyo na amepanda, kuna mahindi zake. I think for the rain, we have shortage of rain. People's shambas are not thrived that much. Huku kumefika. Ona, these are drives, si ndio? Fast drive huko hata kienda. People are well improved from this side. It's no longer a village. Huku ni Olempesha ama Olepolos. Olempolos. Oh, Olempesha ni kule vet. Karen West. Karen West. Lower Karen. Huku ni nini? Ololua. Ololua si huku.
Hii bado ni pati ya town.
Hii. Kuna ma industry huku. Ndo pale penye kinafshana ndaga. Waone
Pende penye kuna nani ndaga.
Kila siku. They are even dancing TikTok. Nimetoka kusoma umelazimisha kusoma baba. Unaona hivi tulitokea huku from this side tukakuja hivyo. We are at the SGR. By now you can spot the station at the far end. Welcome to the SGR station Ngong. Hawakataze. SGR. Look at this. Kuna kutoka huko nyuma pia kuna njia.
Huko hivi unatokea huko hivi.
Look at people are playing from the other side. Na ile pale ni nini? Ndo penye station inatokea pale juu. Zile. Ama ni maofisi. Oh, alafu Ngong station ni ile pale, si ndio? Wow. This is Ngong. Hebu nione vizuri. Tunaweza ingia ndani. Atazingia ndani tuone. Ile ni volleyball. Twende tucheze volley. Gosh. Mimi nilikuwa nikicheza volleyball nikikuwa shule. Look at that. Mimi nawezana na volleyball vizuri sana. Look at that. Tena ya mguu. Maliza. This is so nice. unfortunately it was locked. The time for people getting inside the SGR was over, so we had to take you through the exterior part of the SGR. I hope you'll enjoy. Next time I'll do better. Hey, kuna junction. Wewe unaenda wapi?
Ninaenda home hapa.
Oh, uko Imani nishasikia pia. Ningependa kwenda Imani.
Alafu pia Chris amenituma hapo.
Seedbeds.
Sasa hapa ndio SGR.
Si ndio hii naiona. Hii ndio SGR, si ndio? Sasa hii ni nini?
Hii ni office.
Office gani? Ya gari?
Tickets.
Ticketing. Naweza osha mkono hapa mama, maji hakuna. Tunachezea maji ya umma. Hii maji ya umma hakuna. No water for drinking. Wapi? Kuna maji? Hebu salimia watu. Sema hi guys. Sema hi, hello, hello. This is Kanywaji. You know jina lako by the way? You're not Kanywaji, what's your full name? He has been our tour guide through this from the village to the SGR station. Isaac. Peter. Petero. You know jina lako? Ya kitambulisho, Peter Mwangi. Ya pili. Huwezi kuwa na jina moja hivyo kama paka. Peter Mwangi. Paka ndo anakuwa na jina moja. What is your name? Peter Mwangi. Ai, ama venye umesikia nimesema Mwangi ukasema tu acha kaanguke naka. Ama wewe ni Mogaito? Mogaito. Mogaito. When you come with your car, tunaingilia hapa hivi, si ndio? Entrance. And then you come. Yo. Alafu tunaenda parking. Drop off area. Oh, this is a drop off area. You are dropped off from here. And then unaingia wapi? Hapa. This is the entries. Direct. And then you go. All right. Drop off area. Ngong station. Manguka sijui mbona. The board has fallen down. Wao walibadilisha. Wakaekele ingine. Oh, kumpa ni pale ya tizi. Dayo tizi. Alafu hapa pia.
Hapo ni entrance ya private.
Oh, workers. They can do the private workers. Your entries is there. Wow. Look at this place, the way it's beautiful. Hey. Oh, buses. Kama buses zinakuja mingi zinapaka hapa. Wow. Kumbe Kenya mmedevelop hivi sana Kanywaji. Hapo ndo kwako? Oh. Hata si mbali. Mimi nimedhani hata ni mbali. So nyi huwa mnaona. You guys, from my previous video, I thought from up there where we were, we showed you the SGR passing. This is the place tulikuwa tunaionea. This is the place we were seeing it from. Now this is the station. People book from that place. Tukikuja, I wish tungeipata, si ndio? Tungesikia raha. Look at this. The landscape. I think the rains, we have long drought. Is it drought? Mvua zijanyesha, our grasses are drying up. Kituo cha basi. Read this guys. Kituo cha basi. For buses. Kituo cha basi. Mabuses. So welcome to Ngong station. Can I zoom that in? There. It's lighting there. Yo. Alafu huku ni kituo cha taxi. Ona ule jamaa penye amekimbia ule.
Amekimbia.
Kituo cha taxi. Now the taxis here is where they come to drop you off ama stay. There is a man who just passed us running, and he's, I don't know, can we see him? There, they are going. Look at him. He's going up the hill. Going up the hill. Yo, people run, people come jogging this place. It's pretty. It's pretty. Yay! We are at the SGR station. Oh, I wish we went inside. Pale kuna maji Dayo. Kuna maji? Uko sure? See pale ile ni choo. Those they seem like they're public toilets. Those ones up there. Those ones. They're public toilets. I want to see water. I want to see what people see from this other side. Ama si maji. Haikai, si ndio? Haikai maji. Niende hapo nishike niswage stima. Shaitetemeshwa. Kwa ushangae. Think hizi zilikuwa pia ni parking hapa chini. Si tuko sawa, ngoja tuende zetu. Nini yo? Haiteremki, sina kaa tu hapo.
Inakaa hapa na fuda anashuka.
Inakaa inashuka. Unaona uko mbele. So unaona uko kuna kama red lights. Let me see, there are some like red lights there and all that. I think uko it's where the station goes straight. I don't know, lakini si unaziona? Yeah. So there is a U-turn for it. There is no way that is going to make the U-turn from here. It connects, sindio? It connects from this side. Alafu ina connect to the Mlolongo one. Pia coming is the same, like it has 3 tunnels. Is it tunnels ama the trains inaitwaga aje? 4 lanes. 4 lanes. Wow. Wow, wow. I always love this thing up there. You see? You don't know what wanasemaga ni jet. But how will a jet? Okay, sawa. If I were in that jet, roho yangu saa ingekuwa mbali.
Very fun.
Concorde ni nini? Ndege kubwa sana. So, ndaka kuniambia venye nenda hivi mbio. You guys look up there. Kanywaji is saying it's Concorde. I think nimesimama under it. I'm under it straight. And another one, it's up there. When they decide to fall down, imeniumiza. Si ndio?
Hakuna hewa huko.
Hakuna hewa. Hiyo ni choo. Ama maji. Kanyaji is going to check for water. Oh, they are spoiled. Iko na maji. It has water. Hey guys, if you've made it this far, please subscribe, like, share. Huyu mwenye amezikwa pale, there is someone resting over there. May he rest in peace. Kanyaji is saying he was the owner. Si ndio? Alikuwa ndo mwenye hapa. He was the owner currently of this plot. Si ndio? Ama watoto wake ndo uza. Oh, ilichukuliwa na nani? Sasa government ikikujaga meti kuna venye mnaongea. Wow. I love this thing up there. Look at it. It's making a beautiful. Can I push it? Yeah, it's making a beautiful. Okay guys, maybe this will be it for us today. We've been to the SGR. Exit is there, entries is here. Tunasema ni bye bye. Dayo, tell people bye bye. Kanyaji ambia watu kwa heri. So they will sit, they will enjoy. We love you. To the next one. Bye, bye, bye.